Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this small black leather backpack. What I love most about it is its perfect size. It's not too big, not too small, and it has a ton of pockets. As you can see on the inside, there are 2 pockets where I can put all of my items, and once I stretch it out, there's lots of room for all the other stuff that I would have to carry on a day-to-day basis. There are also pockets on the outside where I can put my keys, and other smaller items that I would want to carry and that are easy to access. There is also a secret side pocket where you can put any valuable items that you would want to have at hand, like your ID, your card, whatever that may be. And there's lots of room. As you can see in the video, I'm able to put in my tablet, a water bottle, my wallet, my AirPods, as well as some sunglasses. The backpack is super stylish, which I love. It goes with any outfit and it does not look bulky at all. I think this backpack is a great purchase because it's so versatile and a great addition to anyone's wardrobe. But that's just my point of view.